I remember the first time seeing you and thinking, wow, she's beautiful. I love your laugh and your smile. I love how your love for your family and friends is felt so strongly by everyone it touches, including me.
We never knew the sky beyond the blue. We turned the page, our story became brand new. You and I.
Harrison, you have absolutely captivated me. In just 3 years, you have become the most important relationship in my life. You showed me the most beautiful kind of love. A love that is genuine, unconditional, and rare. Today and for the rest of my life, I choose you. I promise to offer my advice when you want it, and offer you my shoulder when you need it. I promise to never stop flirting with you, even when we're old and not as cool anymore. You're my best friend, my soulmate, the absolute love of my life, and I'm so incredibly proud that I get to become your wife today. I love you, and I'll see you soon.
The stars will follow our hearts into the light.
You're the most amazing person I've ever met in my life, and I will always wonder how I was lucky enough to find you. In this marriage, I promise I will be there for you. I promise I will always protect you. I promise I will love you until the day that I die. I'm the luckiest man in the world to call you mine and to have you by my side as we start our family together.
Hannah, will you have Harrison to be your husband, to cherish him and live with him? Will you pledge your loyalty to him and promise to love, honor, comfort, and keep him in health and in sickness, in prosperity and adversity, and keep yourself only for him, so long as you both shall live?
I do.
You can pull the stars down, paint the perfect.
Harrison, will you have Hannah to be your wife, to cherish her and live with her? Will you pledge your loyalty to her and promise to love, honor, comfort, and keep her in health and in sickness, in prosperity and adversity, and keep yourself only for her, so long as you both shall live?
I do.
The sunshine, bottle up the rain, go where the wind blows.
Harrison, you may kiss your bride.
Life's what you make it. Oh, life's what you make it. Oh, it's yours for the taking. Gonna write your own song.
Harrison, I am so thankful that Hannah has found her person, and that person being you is truly what God intended. You are both truly blessed to have picked each other because you have both picked such loving, intelligent, and compassionate people to spend the rest of your lives with.
Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times.
Hannah and Harrison are just such a great fit for each other. They're just so genuine, very nice people. I couldn't think of a more person or a better person for Harrison than Hannah. There's only one person that I know that can make Harrison a little more happy than his best friend, and that's you, Hannah.
Everyone has a way to carry, everyone has a soul, so let it shine.
I'm not very comfortable with speaking in front of a lot of people. I tend to hyperventilate a little bit. And then I might even pass out. The hyperventilation, and just in case I should go down, I want to keep myself safe.
Don't worry.
Today, our daughter Hannah gains the true love in Harrison, and we gain a son. I'd like to say congratulations to the new Mr. and Mrs. Harrison and Hannah Peoples, and may God always bless you both. Hear, hear.
Hannah, the way you are a sister and a best friend, I have no doubt you will be the best wife to Harrison. No matter where, no matter what. Cheers to the bride and groom, and best wishes to both of you and your future together. I love you guys.
Don't worry about the clouds, 'cause when the skies come out, give me that sunshine, sunshine. Give me them good times, good times. Nothing but good vibes, good vibes. Give me that sunshine, sunshine. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime. Bring on the summertime.